Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the refrigerator. Now we discuss how the refrigerator is work. First we discuss the definition. What is the definition of a refrigerator? It is the device in which the working substance perform cycle in a direction opposite to that of a heat engine. It can be defined as the device which will either cool or maintain a body temperature below that of the surrounding is known as refrigerator. Now we discuss the working principle of refrigerator. Refrigerator work as the heat engine but is the opposite process of the heat engine. Here we take the high temperature reservoir and here we take the low temperature reservoir. Here we take the refrigerator. Hot reservoir, that is the temperature T1, and the low temperature reservoir temperature is T2. Here we take the refrigerator work is taken heat from the low temperature reservoir by doing work on the system. By doing work on the system, remove the heat from low temperature reservoir Q2 and send into the low temperature reservoir Q1. That is the working principle of refrigerator. That is the opposite of the heat engine. Working principle: it take heat from low temperature area and deposit it in another area. How the working principle of refrigerator is work: when a low temperature liquid is passes close to a fluid that need to be cooled, heat from those objects is transmitted to the fluid. Now we calculate the coefficient of performance of refrigerator. Coefficient of performance is defined as the ratio of the amount of heat removed from the low temperature reservoir or sink to the work required to do so. We know that the refrigerator that work is the opposite of the heat engine. Here we take the high temperature reservoir that is temperature T1 and low temperature reservoir that is temperature T2. Here the amount of heat is removed by doing work on the low temperature reservoir and deposit into the high temperature reservoir. So here we can calculate it work done, that is W plus Q2 is the input and the output, that is the Q1. So here we can calculate work done is equal to Q1 minus Q2. So now we calculate the coefficient of performance. Coefficient of performance that is represented by COP. Coefficient of performance is the refrigerator. So here in the base we write the R is find by the output our input. Here the output is the desired effect that we want to happen and input. Here the desired effect is to remove heat from low temperature reservoir and input that we do the work done. So it is equal to W. So here we write Q2 and work done that is equal to Q1 minus Q2. So coefficient of performance is equal to this, and we know that the Q1 over Q2 is equal to T1 over T2. So here we can write Q2 is equal to T2 and Q1 that is equal to T1 minus T2. That is the coefficient of performance of the refrigerator.